Let's talk about the recent trends in assessment. How do accountability and fairness shape modern education?
Accountability ensures that teachers and schools are responsible for students' learning outcomes. So fairness means that all students, regardless of background, should have equal opportunities to succeed.
True, but fairness can be tricky. Some students have learning disabilities, while others may have different socioeconomic backgrounds. And assessment may be careful for one student who may be not fair for another.
That's the things can be created truly fair.
Maybe not 100%, but we can make assessment more equitable by using accommodation, diverse question types, and flexible conditions.
So, should fairness mean giving everyone the same test or tailoring assessments to individual needs?
I'd say fairness means equity, not equality. We should give every student what they need to succeed, not necessarily the same test.